What's up, guys? It's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are probably like, straight unit again? Like, what's going on? What's going on? I promise you there's some versatility coming soon. This is different still because there's always different cap structures. Before I even get into all of that, let me say where the hair is from. So the hair is from ISEE Hair. They have amazing units. I mean, I'm not gonna share anything with you guys that is not amazing. I'm gonna try it first. Or if it's a company I worked with before and it's not good, then I'm not even gonna bother share that with you guys. But they have really amazing units. This is a straight unit. It is glueless, so you don't need any glue. It has a versatile cap. But there's a lot of cool features about this hair that I'm gonna go into you know, the body of the video, because the styling is cake. The hair took the heat really well, and it's a glueless unit, so there's only like so much where styling is concerned. But this hair, everything. It's so good. And also, I just want to show you guys my makeup today because I'm trying to do like some different stuff. I feel like I always do the natural girl makeup, and I'm like, let me try to match it with my looks a little, do something a little bit more saucier, and it looks so good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. I already have my hair braided down and my wig cap on. I know they always offer a wig cap, but I just feel like the black wig caps are the best. Any beige, see-through, it just never, black wig cap, that's it. The packaging it came in, I always love ISEE Hair packaging because it just looks like I got a really special gift. I honestly probably have 5 boxes because I just saved their packaging. It's just so nice. Okay, ignore my foot and my leg. Packaging. So this is the wig, which we'll unbox in a sec. These are the other goodies that came in it. This, which I'm gonna show you guys how to use, but I think this is actually gonna replace the wig cap. It's like a removable netting, and it comes with a band. And then we have some lashes, 3 combs, extra combs if you run out. These brands are just coming with more and more gifts. HD wig cap, a little user manual, and a branded satin bonnet. I believe this is what I'm actually gonna use, or I might use both. Let me go look at the manual to see what I'm supposed to do. This lacing structure is actually just an additional one to what comes with this already, which is great. It's not a wig cap. So I guess if the structure of the wig gets messed up, it's additional. I'm honestly not sure. I want to point out a few things about this unit that makes it different than other units, because obviously it's a straight hair wig, which I've promoted before, but different brands have different features about their wigs that either make it more comfortable or give you more longevity. So first, let's focus on the texture. This is more silky. This isn't really yaki straight per se, so it's kind of a silkier texture. The hairline has kind of like they like zigzagged cut it already, and to me when they do this it melts a lot better than when that's not done. Then we have a band in the back. This band is removable, so you can take it off if you know you just don't like the security bands. And a super cool feature which is new and I haven't seen on most wigs, this comb in the back is removable as well. So you would just literally slide it out and take it out if you don't want to have the comb, because I know some people find it uncomfortable. I like the comb, but honestly it depends what I'm doing. If I'm doing something where my hair could potentially fall off, I'm using the comb, but if not, I feel like one or the other suffices. If you have the band, you don't necessarily always need the comb. So I'm gonna keep everything on and put it on my head because I just want the most security. I'm not gonna remove everything, and we're just gonna take an initial look at how it looks without darkening the lace. Kind of see where it falls. I do like the hairline thus far. I do feel like, hold on. I'm gonna use the comb though. Also wanted to show you guys, there's a curve around the ear, so it fits smoothly around your ear. It's good. You guys know I'm a yucky straight girly though, but I'm like, I always like to show you guys different things just for you to see. This is also, the whole thing's lace, so you can like style it. I wouldn't say flip it per se, but like we could do, which I might do, like a flat here. That might be cute. So I went ahead and did the whole inside just because I plan on styling it. So I just wanted to make sure I'm protected in all areas. Really be good as if they made wigs where this was already done. Now that would really be a wear and go, because sometimes it could just get messy. Not melting the lace on this wig, but I'm gonna go ahead and start flat ironing it. But I did put this on just to secure it, so like with tugging it doesn't fly off my head since it's not secured down with my stinky wow spray. Just spray that all over the hair. It's not gonna give me much trouble. Flat ironing is concerned. It's already so straight. fucking witches. I have to work on the little lump over here because it was so humped on that side and I don't know why. But hairline. Yo, just when you think wigs can't get better, like you found one you really liked, it gets better. It gets better. I didn't even know. I was so concerned. I was like, am I gonna like this texture? Because I always like yaki straight. But this texture with the right hairline is giving the right type of vibe. Like, look at the body. I need a British accent. I really, really, really love this one. Like, it's, look, when I tuck my hand in the air, I really like her. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts below or any questions you have about this unit. And thank you for always watching and supporting your girl. And I will see you guys next week.